Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Awalluddin from Faculty of Administrative Science and Policy Study of UINSA Malaysia. Today I'm going to present my article on examining the role of the fourth industrial revolution in transforming 4.0 Waqf instrument of digitalization. So this is my agenda. First I have introduction, and then this is the LR, concept of the 4.0 revolution, Waqf instrument and digitalization, and I have my methodology, finding and discussion and conclusions. So this is the introduction. As you can see that this study to understand how industrial, or the short name is IR of 4.0, can shaping the Waqf instrument of digitalization. So this is some study that has been done in this area of the digitalization of Waqf, such as the implementation of the Waqf digital logo, and then there's a study about Waqf YouTube content, and then is the study of utilizing Waqf via crowdfunding. As you can see that most of the study also, there's another study that's using TPB, theory of planet behavior, to study the intent and perception of the people towards the Waqf digitalization. However, there is no study examining how IR 4.0 can influence or affect the Waqf digitalization. Therefore, the study would like to study how the 4.0 can shaping the Waqf instrument and forward the idea of 4.0 of Waqf digitalization. So this is LR of my study. What is the concept of the 4.0 industrial revolution? So the aim of the 4.0 IR is to achieve higher level of operational efficiency and productivity, as well as greater degree of automation by applying robotic, AI, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things. And what is the Waqf instrument and digitalization? The importance of Waqf instrument of digitalization is to improve issues that affecting Waqf in terms of competency of the management, funding and market, and also the transparency issue. For example, Adayami and friends concurs that application of social media help to educate public on Waqf agenda. So, in terms of the methodology, this study employ directed content analysis, and it uses the secondary data such as a prior study and also newspaper as the sources of the references of the study. This next is a coding agenda that made up from the prior study. So we have management digitalization, operational digitalization, and transparency digitalization. So this is the fundings and discussion. For the first funding, for the first team, management perspective of digitalization, how can 4.0 industry can affect the Waqf? The users of the AI can help in analyzing Waqf project. Therefore, management can make better decision before initiating any Waqf project. So next, we talk about the operational perspective of the digitalization. So in terms of the operational perspective, you need to know that operational is about making a profit for the organization. So how 4.0 industry can affect Waqf? One of it is the adoption of the augmented reality or AR. For example, in a retail store, consumer use AR for fitting room. In Waqf, AR can be used to attract contributor by illustrating Waqf project to the perspective. When they know that what kind of the project, they can use AR to see the project, so they understand more about the project, so it will attract them to contribute to the Waqf funding. Lastly, we talk about the transparency. In terms of the transparency, we talk about how to build trust with the stakeholder. So by using the Internet of Things such as mobile phone, the stakeholder can understand about the project timely, and they can also check the project progress. This can be linked through the application via the IoT, and also we can use mobile application through email to replace the traditional Waqf certificate with the e-certificate. So this is the conclusion. So basically, 4.0 Waqf Digitalization will pave a new way of Waqf instrument, making it simple, convenient, efficient, and trusted to the pupil. Thank you.